Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how you can get product requirements straight into linear using LLMs. I've been working on a product called Space Harmony. I still haven't got to the end of the product and I'm still working on it, but I thought it's better to have a product requirement documentation so that I know what are my to-do lists. Am I getting those done or not? And I'm trying to hack the fastest way that's possible to get this app and the product requirements out. So what I did is I just go get a whole screenshot of the app using GoFullPage Chrome Extension. Now I have the entire idea in a website format, and I pulled this image, downloaded that image, went into Claude, gave it the context that, hey, this is my idea and like this is my landing page. I have all of those requirements that you can elicit it from. And I'm trying to do an iOS app using Firebase integrated with for revenue and billing. Can you give me a product requirements document and fine tune them, break them down to smaller epics, stories, and tasks with requirements so that I can load into linear app? Obviously, it didn't do the linear app stuff, but it gave me the product requirements document with each and every task and like what needs to be done with an epic. And it gave me multiple epics. I've made some mistakes. This is Claude 3.5 Sonnet. And then I was like, hey, I think you missed some of the stuff. It had to reiterate, but still it was able to. After getting the product requirements, I asked, can you give me into one file? And it generated a doc file. I could download that. But having that document, I can't use it into Linear or Jira or any kind of tracking system. So I just looked up how does Linear import stuff if you're in Asana or Jira, GitHub, GitLab, any kind of task management system, and then you're trying to pull it into Linear. They have an importer which has CLI in it. You can go find the whole documentation of the import export, and they have a CLI tool where it imports CSV format. So what I did is I pull down, copy the whole URL because the Claude 3.5 Sonnet doesn't take the URLs at the moment, but it can take the documentation and then, hey, this is the imported documentation and I want the product requirement document to be compatible. And so that I can like import into linear app. It just generated me a CSV format that the linear app takes in. I've installed the linear import and I just got to run the linear import. Let me try. I haven't tried that yet. So I'm going with linear import, linear, the CSV file text file that it generated, create a new team, Space Harmony. Cool. It's importing the requirement specification that we have. Let's see. Linear. Wow, cool. We have Space Harmony. Wow. So it has the issues in with the epics and the story backlog. Great. Think. Okay. Yeah. It's filtering by epic or story. Cool. So yeah, I think I've got all the way from like a basic idea to requirement specification in just a couple of minutes. Yay.